all SBR Talks viewers. Today our special guest is Mr. Nitin Kumar. He completed his BTech Electrical Engineering in IIT Delhi. Now he is founder director of a IIT JEE coaching center named Modulus. It is located in the Miapur, Hyderabad. He is also very good faculty of mathematics also for JEE mains coaching. Now I welcome Mr. Nitin Kumar for this interview. This interview will be around 15 to 20 minutes. Welcome to Nitin Kumar, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the invitation.
My question is, actually you are having a bright career. You are a graduate of IIT Delhi, and you were once launched one startup company, I think, and Yuvraj Singh funded you, and you also qualified IES, Indian Engineering Service. You selected for Indian Engineering Services, but you did not join. And what is the main reason behind this? Why you have chosen education, teaching as a career in spite of all having corporate career?
I'll tell, sir. Once I'll give introduction to all your viewers. My name is Nitin Kumar. I'm a graduate in BTech from IIT Delhi in electrical engineering. So coming to teaching, actually, I love teaching from the day I started understanding what is the teacher. So during my IITJ, during my IITJ life, during my IIT Delhi life, we used to go to slum areas to teach. So there we used to teach for free. Me along with my team, students used to come and listen to us, and they used to study very passionately. We used to teach them very passionately, and definitely we were working hard. At the same time, many of the students from that area, from that particular slum areas, got into IIT just by our efforts. So like that, the interest has grown in teaching. So finally, we realized the importance of teaching. The respect which they give to me right now also, is immense. That satisfaction which you get by teaching students, and then they will remember you for lifetime, is there is nothing close to that. So from there onwards, the passion for teaching started. Then after that, I know I was completely not. I need to be more professional. Then I started teaching in some very famous institutes, coaching institute like Bansal, Fiji, etc. So then after teaching there for around 5 to 6 years, started my own institute with the name Modulus in Hyderabad, in Mathur Srinagar. So coming to that founder, yes, when we were in third year in IIT Delhi, we started a startup. I was a part of a startup with the name Movo. So there, that startup was funded by Yuvraj Singh Ventures UVCAN. UVCAN is the name of the venture which is run by Yuvraj Singh. He funded us with a package with a I think amount of rupees 3 crores. So we did that startup part also. But since me being a passionate for teaching, I dropped out from that startup. Still my friends are doing that. I dropped out from that startup and then entered into this teaching field. And now I'm satisfied, and I'm very happy to say last 3 years back I started my own institute with the name Modulus, because teaching in other institute also is not it's not a bad option, but I want to teach in my own way. I want to develop my own curriculum for students. I want to tell students what I like. I want to share with students my journey and journey of many of my friends. How can you be successful? Just not only for making money, but to add that educational value to the institute. So and now I'm very happy and satisfied and pleased to inform you that our institute is running very well, and most of our students, they are here because they wanted to study. They wanted to do something in their life. Normally, we are not taking every student. We are taking student after filtering, then after taking some admission test. So now most of our students are passionate for learning, and that is why they are here. And we are also equally passionate to teach. So now it is running very well.
Your rank was in your JEE examination. Your rank was 359, but after in the fourth year you did not go for any corporate job and directly joined in Fiji. I think you posted into Fiji Kukatpalli branch, Hyderabad. I think.
No, sir. Actually, I taught in Bansal for some time. Then I joined Fiji. Then I worked in Fiji, Delhi. Then from there I came to Hyderabad. I consider myself fortunate enough to come to Hyderabad at that time. Then I understood the mentality, psychology of the parents, because I feel no other parent other than Hyderabad no other parent is as interested in teaching as the parents of Hyderabad. They're very interested in teaching. So I consider myself lucky that finally I came here. I interact with so many good parents, even who are teaching me how to teach. Many parents, and who are guiding me in their way. So because if the parents are passionate for their kids' learning, definitely they will ask more and more questions and will improve more. So that is very good in Hyderabad.
And you are teaching previously before Modulus, you are teaching in Kukatpalli, Fiji, first batch, I think. Na?
Yes. I
Uh,
was teaching
now,
in Fiji.
now coming to the Modulus, actually in Hyderabad, so many corporate colleges are there, and they are taking 70 to 80 each batch for physical class. They are
Hmm.
taking 200 students for online class now.
Oh,
Presently, due to
oh,
Corona, each class around 200 students are there.
okay.
So on this so-called top college of Hyderabad, but the
Hmm.
specialty of your institution is you are running with very marginal strength. Actually, 25 per class is a great thing, and I'm very happy that you are taking only 75 students and you are taking personal care each and every student, and that I appreciate you. And can you tell few reasons? What are the uniqueness and what are the salient features of Modulus compared to the other contemporary coaching centers?
Okay, sir. So first of all, as you already mentioned, the strength of each batch will not be more than 25. So, like it will be kind of personal coaching for each and every student. Because if they're studying in a number of only 25 in a section, teachers know name of each and every student. They know the details, they know the backgrounds, and they know how to handle that particular student to give more and more input to the student. Secondly, sir, if you compare the faculties, mostly every college has some senior lecturers, junior lecturers. Basically, senior lecturers will come and teach. Junior lecturers will clear the doubts. They will clear some questions if they have students have any doubts in the question. But in Modulus, there is no concept of like junior lecturers and senior lecturers. Our all the faculties are equally experienced, just some plus minus one. All have minimum 7 to 8 years of teaching for IIT field. Not only for teaching in IIT sector. Maybe the institute is new, but faculties have immense experience. So that is second thing. Third thing is maybe we are making batch, but in every batch we are taking because we are taking only 3 sections. So in every batch faculty will be same. So student will not get they will not get to say that my faculty is not good or bad because same faculty will be teaching in last section as well as first section. So there is nothing like last section, but 3 sections. So faculty will be same. So student hard work only will be the criteria for their success because faculty will be same. If some student can get success in those cities, everyone can get. But yes, we will divide into section, keeping in like how the environment should be there for those particular kind of students. So we are dividing them into section, but faculty will be same for all the section. So parents will not feel my son or daughter is in first section or last section. All sections are almost same. Just we vary our teaching style, consider looking after the batch. How is the batch and what kind of how can we help the student in the best way? So we change our like maybe we go a bit fast, we go a bit slow. We give them more practice questions depending on the student mentality of that particular batch. But faculty will be same. So that is second. Third thing, sir, even the strength is less in each batch. Our fees is affordable for every parent. It is not that no parent can afford. We have AC hostel for girls as well as boys. Hostel is just 50 to 60 meters from our campus. So it's walkable distance, boys hostel. Girls hostel is in same building as in Modulus. First, second floor is institute. Third and fourth floor is girls hostel. So, and all the hostels like girls and boys, they have AC attached, washroom attached, geyser, and all the facilities which a student need. If you see the hostel, it will look like a five-star hotel. So because that vibe also is very important. Students should not feel where I'm staying, I'm not enjoying. They will get that positive vibe from everywhere. Even you can like I will attach modulus campus view for the parents. They can see how is the campus, how is the hostel, everything they can see because that vibe also is very important. If we compare, like I don't compare with other institutes, but if you notice here many institutes have mess also there, hostel also there, and hostel like not that they have 7 to 8 students in a room. We will accommodate only 4 students in a room, maximum 4 students. Considering Corona, we keep two students also, 1 student also in a room. But maximum, not more than 4 students will go in a room. So that is the specialty of modulus. And second, one more thing, sir, just would like to share through your channel. First time, nobody know, even modulus students also don't know till now. We are launching a software in which a student will get same experience of writing JEE Mains exam as they are writing in original. So we are launching a software. We are making a modulus app also. Within 2 days it will be ready. Today is 7, I think 16. But 18th May it will be ready. So students can download that app. They can use on laptop also. So they will get same experience of writing our exams as they are writing in JEE Mains. There will be time limit will be there. Everything will be there. They will be, and after the exam they can see everything, how they performed, in which subject they performed, who is the top scorer in that. Everything they can see. So it will give like broad view of their performance, and they will see whether they are improving or not. So this I'm announcing first time in your channel. Nobody know, even modulus students also don't know. We will tell them after 2 days. So we every day we are doing something or other so that students should feel like studying. If they know the teachers are working so much hard for them, definitely they will get that courage and they will get that confidence. We should also work hard, and we will prove to our teachers that we are not less than them. So
And
that is very important.
and from Siddipet also, last year only 2 students, but this year almost 20 students have joined. And
Yes,
my nephew is also studying in your institution. I know about your personal care, concern, how you motivate the students, and how they are happy. Because I know, because my nephew completed already 1 year education in your institution, and we are very happy. And many of my friends have visited your institution. And I would like to ask you, can you give some details about other staff? I know about you because you are one of the best faculty and a very good person, I know, but can you brief about the other faculty?
Yeah, we have, sir, 2 set of faculty for each subject as of now. So basically, math there are 2 faculties, chemistry there are 2 faculties, physics there are 2 faculties. So every faculty either is from IIT or they have taught in a very premier institute before. Like 4 of my faculties are already have taught in FIITJEE top branch. So those are the background of the faculties. 2 of my faculties are from IIT. One is from IIT Chennai, one is from IIT Guwahati.
With you, you are IIT Delhi. With you, it is 3 number.
Yeah. So that is the level of the faculties you will see. And secondly, not only that, IIT, all of them have experience of teaching in IIT sector, because maybe they can teach for intermediate, they can teach in schools or college, but they have the experience of teaching. I'll tell you, sir, I have taught all India rank 15 when I was teaching in some other institute. Other faculties, many of 2 of my faculties, they have taught with me that student. So all the faculties have the experience of teaching rank below, students rank below 100, who got all India rank 100 in up till 100 in JEE Advance. So the faculties have taught those kind of students. So you can see what are the level of faculties we have in modulus. Because the purpose is, it is not just a college, just to pass intermediate. We want those kind of students who are passionate for learning and want to work hard. We want to teach only those kind of students, and they should feel happy. They will, once they go out from modulus, they will feel okay. We were lucky that we studied here with from those teachers. So that is my mindset. They should not come here and go and forget about modulus after 4 to 5 years. They will remember the teachers, if not modulus. They will remember the teachers who taught them while they were in modulus. Because in teaching, very important, if you notice also, I'm not spending a penny on marketing. I am simply, my students is my marketing. Because if we focus on student, directly it is taken care, admissions. And I don't want to create 1,000, 2,000 admissions. I don't want to take those number of students. Simply, I want to take less strength, focus on them, make myself satisfied and my teacher satisfied. Our batch does not want, our batch of faculties, our team, though nobody want to teach more than 30 to 40 students in a batch. Because teaching is their passion. They are not coming only for money. Money is a criteria, but that is not priority. So they want to teach a student, that is the passion. So that is why we have taken our team, we have made our team very carefully. And after a it is the faculties are recruited after a 3 to 4 channels they have to clear. So each faculty is a special faculty in Modulus. It is not like anybody can join Modulus and start teaching.
Yes, I came many times to your institution, and I have seen how peaceful environment is there, how students are very friendly, and how much rapport they are having with the faculty. I have seen actually personally, and your institution is also walkable from the metro, Miapur Metro. I have seen that. That is very good. Actually, can you tell you more elaborately about your infrastructure in the hostel, especially? What are the amenities you are having?
Yeah. So I'll tell about hostel, sir. Amenities are same for boys as well as girls, but there is extra like some more security for girls. There is security for boys also, but we are putting like that. Normally, our hostel it is have a lock. Nobody can enter to the hostel. Now coming to the hostel, each room can be accommodated only maximum 4 students. All 4 students will be given their lockers. There will be attached washroom in the room. There will be geyser. There will be AC, and there will be study table for each student. There will be separate lobby where they can go and study. There will be extra washroom in case student want to use other washroom other than their room. There will be extra washroom outside the room. Or they don't have to bring with them other than clothes. Only clothes are required. They should bring only their clothes. Everything will be provided in hostel. From modular, from textbook, from pen to their material and their bedding, mattress, everything will be provided to them in hostel. So they don't have to bring anything with them other than their clothes.
Okay, sir. And can you tell last year how many students were there for your crash course? How many clear JEE mains and any good ranks from them? And what are the best rank? Can you tell brief?
So last year, sir, we have taken only 30 students because it was Corona. Out of 30 students, 27 students have cleared JEE mains exam. 27 students have cleared JEE mains exam. 3 students could not clear JEE mains because maybe they were irregular to the classes. Out of 27, 5 students went to IIT JEE. Like they went to IIT Delhi, IIT Bombay. 8 students went to NIT, different NITs. Then 15 students went to MSET, sir. They went to MSET colleges. They wrote MSET. They did not got very good rank in JEE mains, but they got decent rank in MSET and they joined college through MSET. Only 4 students. 3 could not qualify JEE mains and 1 more student he qualified JEE mains but could not get a good college. They have gone to private college. Now coming to the rank, our best rank was 858 in JEE Advance because we don't focus because we have to spend more time and considering the crash course, we could not spend more time with them. Actually, we were expecting in top 500, but we were not unable to give that much time to the students last year, considering it was Corona plus it was a crash course only. It was not a full-time course. So, but still, the student is very happy. The top rank right this year was 858 in JEE Advance. Along with that, I would like to mention to the parents also, they should not ask who got like which institute got only rank 10, 15, 16. Rather, they should ask how many students got a selection in IIT or NIT from the total number of students from institute. Because many parents get fascinated by this particular college got rank 15, rank 8, all India rank 1. Because students who are capable of getting rank 8 or 9 or rank 1 or 2, they may go to any institute, they can go to any institute, they will get rank. Because those kind of students is completely different. But considering the general scenario, so my intention is every student should get something better than what he deserves if he's coming to Modulus. If he is thinking I should get MSET, he should get JEE mains. He should get a NIT. If he's thinking I should get NIT, he should get IIT. That is our intention. But definitely we are working hard and within some time we will get very good ranks in JEE Advance also. But since that was our first year, in first year itself we got rank 858 in JEE Advance.
And how can you say in 1 minute what are the best features of Modulus compared to others? In 1 minute, how can you say?
I'll tell, sir. Less strength, 25 students in a batch. Affordable fees, considering the best strength, affordable fees for everyone, including hostel. no junior lecturers, only senior lecturers will take study hours. They will teach in the class. Personal attention to each and every student. They can call us at any time and ask us any doubt. Even right now, classes are online. Still, they feel like we are with them throughout the day, because anybody can call us at any time. We are available to our students at any time of the day. Second thing, if they will come for offline class, our infrastructure, each room have their own proper ventilated classrooms. Board will be there, and AC will also be there in a room. So properly air conditioned classrooms with proper ventilation. Second thing, only they will not be any like part-time teacher. All teachers are with us full time, and they will be there and they will teach. And they can contact our students and contact them at any time. Because strength is less, they can contact them at any point of time, and they will be there to clear their doubts. So these are some of the features, sir.
That's a great thing. And if anybody wants to seek admission in your institution, what procedure, any admission test is there? What is the phone number? And that can you tell finally?
This year already your first year classes started. We will take one more batch in June. So if students want to take admission, I will attach a phone number in the description box. I will give my phone numbers. They can call on that phone number. They can visit our Modulus website. I will mention my website also in the description box. You can mention. I will attach location also, and I will say Modulus tour also. So they can call on that number. Right now we are not taking an admission test. We are taking direct admission. For those, we have only 15 seats left. Only 15 seats are left. We are taking only 15 students. After that, our strength is full. So they can call us. They can ask us what are the criteria. Initially, they need to pay some admission fees. After that, we enroll them into the class. They can see classes for 1 month. After that, they can pay the final fees.
And finally, my appeal to the parents. I have searched so many institutions in the Hyderabad, and I know many faculty and directors in the Hyderabad. But I watched it carefully and analyzed many institutions. And I personally suggest you, please join in Modulus if you want to take very good coaching for IIT JEE. And this is one of the best institutions in the Hyderabad, very less strength, very personal caring, and students will be very peaceful without stress. Because I am watching this institution since last 2 or 3 years. And personally, my nephew is also studying, many of my friends' children also studying here. And I can assure you that you will get very good education, and your students will be surely successful. And I appreciate Mr. Nitin Kumar all the way. He came from Uttarakhand, his native is Uttarakhand, and he studied in Delhi. He left all his prosperous career, and he is taking this initiative. And I hope that all Telugu parents will be very fortunate to have a person like this. And I congratulate finally. Thank you very much, Nitin sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the invitation.
Okay, sir. Let us conclude this interview.
Sure. Okay. Any parents have any doubt, they can comment on this video. Well, I will also see the video, so I'll reply whatever if they have any doubts.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sir.